Welcome another video, dear viewers. Check this out. This is what it means to elevate one another. It's not solely about personal effort, it's about the collective passion. These individuals are not just working out, they are teaming up, they are encouraging one another, supporting each other, showing they lead both physically and mentally. Notice that connection, that coordinated effort. It's more than just muscles welding, it's about creating brotherhood. It's a mutual dedication to excellence. They show up not just for themselves, but for the passion besides them. That where true strength grows. Their Instagram name ID is Darik. The commitment visible on their focus faces, the perspirations that essence of hard work. Every repetition, every drop of sweat is proof of the discipline driving this journey. See you in the next video, next topic, dear viewer. You take care of yourself and bye bye.